Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator. Today we're going to talk about this French Berthier M16. So what we actually have here is a 1933 production Berthier M16 Carbine. You can figure out the date if you take off the top handguard if you have one. So the original Berthier carbines were made in the 1890s and they could only fit the 3-round clip in the internal magazine. The M16 variants had an upgraded 5-round internal magazine and the clips can hold 5 rounds. Now the 3-round clips do work in this Berthier and they can work in conjunction with the 5-round clips. Another thing with the magazine here is this latch that prevents dirt and muck from getting in. Another upgrade from earlier Berthier carbines was adding a top handguard, which prevented soldiers from burning their hands on a hot barrel. And another upgrade is the front sight post. So instead of having a blade front sight post, they actually went with a very wide kind of block style front sight post with a divot right in the middle, so you can kind of use that to get more precise aim out of the front sight. So the M16 carbines were manufactured right at the end of World War I, about 1917, and very few of them actually saw action on the front lines of World War I. During World War II, the MAS 36 was being implemented, but these carbines still would have saw action during World War II. It fires the 8x50mm R, also known as the 8mm Lebel. So if you've got one of these rifles, let me know in the comments how you like it, and pulverize the like button and subscribe. Helps out with the algorithms. So the M16 Berthier carbines, they're not really well known, they're not really well talked about. It's a French rifle, you know, they don't really get a lot of coverage. So, you know, I thought I'd just do a little review video. Honestly, I think they're a handy carbine. You know, you could take it out, you could probably get a deer with it. It's a pretty decent and powerful cartridge. It's pretty accurate. It's not a terrible rifle. And the only thing I kind of didn't like was probably just the bolt and the action and the clunkiness of how it ejected the rounds. If you got the same issue, just let me know in the comments. Appreciate the feedback if you got any. So if you like this video, check out some of the other ones I got on the channel.